to the Soundcheck, aka the thing that's a lot better than a picture meet and greet, in my opinion, because you can actually get a little bit of a preview of what we're going to do tonight. This is a very, very beautiful theater.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
It feels like a t-shirt that's, I'm going to wear a warning t-shirt tonight. That's what I'm going to do. It's so cool. I wonder if a prince or a princess is going to be on it. They're going to like throw tomatoes at me if I'm bad.
So bad.
They would never do that, right? Never. Maybe make tomato sauce. Located at the Cheesecake Factory, where I will eat promptly after this. I know DC probably has a lot of good food options, but for whatever it's one of those avocado egg rolls.
It's so good.
Is it not
I know
good?
where I'm going after this.
Is anybody from DC here?
No, what?
So a lot of people travel.
Oh, wow. I'm shocked.
What's a good place to go that isn't the Cheesecake Factory? People from DC.
Urban Roast.
Yeah.
Chop
Urban
House.
Roast. The Smith, Urban Roast.
Urban Roast. That sounds fun.
Yeah, I work there.
Did you ask for a night off to come here?
Yeah, I did. I was like, hey, I need to leave at 4. And they were like, yeah, I'm leaving at 4.
Good. This is going to be more fun anyway.
Hell yeah.
Because you're going to go tomorrow, right? They
Yeah,
won't
of
make up for your
course.
time.
No, actually tomorrow off. So.
Oh, good.
Gotta recover emotionally,
To recover emotionally,
And I'm working tonight. Our job up here is to make fun of you? No.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just woke up.
You can.
I'm just saying.
Make sure that you all have the most fun you can possibly have. Everybody say hi to the band.
Hi, Ben.
Oh, you're cute.
Say hi. We're gonna do. We'll do an old song and a new song. I'm just warming up my voice right now, so please pardon me if I do this. You know, this is the T. Whenever you see an artist on stage and they do this, it means that they're tired of singing most of the time. You see Sean, everybody leaving me. That's what that means. So I'm going to be doing a lot of that right now. Hopefully I won't do it too much.
Oh my god.
I love you too. Thank you so much for coming here.
Oh my god.
Thank you so much for crashing the sound check. Hey guys, can we take down this little pedal breaker so that it's fine?
I like your shoelaces. They're so cool.
What's that? Oh, these are cool, right? I got these on a photo shoot. I didn't even pay for these. They have double laces.
They're dope.
And there's something, I don't know, hopefully not satanic. What does that say? Wisdom, courage, vision.
Wow.
Wow.
So profound.
Great.
That's
So, wow,
That's
great.
my feet are inspiring. My feet are inspiring because they lift this body up to. They're all like, why do we
There's your
pay
next
for this?
song.
There you go. Make a song about it.
I will make a song about it. Take that stupid TikTok I put up like late last night. Does anybody make TikToks that they like are half asleep making and they post this right then and there and then they wake up with an immense amount of regret like I did?
No, but I do have TikTok just to watch your videos.
Thank you. I'm just trying to prove that everything and anything can be made into music, whether that's a burr or but none of that is going to be showcased tonight. We're going to play some songs mostly off the new album and maybe some ditties off voice notes from the first album too. What should we do right now? Let's do
Empty cups! Do empty cups, please.
Wow.
Okay, I'll think of that. A single. Fucked up, I'm sorry. We'll do Tears on My Pillow. This is a new one, and I'm still warming up, so bear with me. I hope I said what's in my head. So it starts off with the extended drum beat. Just I'm gonna walk around the stage and be like, how's everyone at the top? And I'm hopefully gonna yell back, great! And I'll walk back over here to the Hi, Jackie. Hi, Jackie. Send it out, Charlie.
My heart can't take this.
Damn, well, wait till tonight.
This is
Under the lights. It's the warm-up. And by the way, it's in decibels, aka how loud things are. It's going to be a lot louder tonight, so it's going to feel bigger. There's just like, we don't want to blow the system accidentally before the show. That would be a bummer. You can actually hear the piano, right?
Yes.
I'm neurotic with that sound.
Yeah.
Let's do something from the first album.
Does it feel?
Damn, does it feel? You know there wouldn't be attention without Does It Feel. You know what's so mind-blowing? I feel like I signed my first record contract yesterday. I can't believe it's been 7 years. I went on a deep YouTube dive yesterday. All the YouTubers I used to follow. God, man, why did no one tell me I was so cringy?
It's okay. We love you still.
A lot like that. That's exactly it.
What does that say?
But that was pretty clever. Hold that up again. I said, I'm a lot like baking cookies, except there's no need to preheat me at 350. Cool. Wow. Yeah. I was like the most hot topic 2010s YouTuber. And somehow navigating my way here. How about that? I get to sit next to Jan. And look at Jan's hair. It's so cool. Why did I get so lucky?
Suffer? Yeah.
Let's play Suffer. It's gonna be dramatic. Whenever you're all ready. Wear a blue shirt.
Baby, I can't wait all night.
very, very intense watching solo. It's gonna do that.
Charlie, you're a stud.
Thank you. I disagree, but thank you. But it pumps my ego up, so thank you.
Oh my God.
I don't know, we have a second. Any burning questions? Anyone's wanted to?
How's the tour?
The tour is fun.
Yeah.
This is like the pre-tour for the big tour next year. I wanted to.
Are you coming back here?
This is a lot different. I'm not gonna say like the arenas are more special than the theaters, but I don't get to like be this up close.
It's so much fun
Like,
though.
with everybody, like I can smell everybody.
How does it smell?
But it's like
Does it smell good?
it's Creed, the Creed Irish tweed smell. But we'll do 12 shows, and then next year, maybe I'm not even supposed to talk about it.
It's okay. You just have to come back.
It'll happen next year. A nice
go to
fun little
Texas?
bigger tour. Anything else? Yes. Hello. What got me into music? People's reactions. I remember I would play like a Carpenter song for my mom on the piano, and she would be like, "Oh, I love this song." And then when I got a computer that could burn CDs, I downloaded I put together a mix CD for my mom and dad. That was when I was like 7 or something. And I was like, okay, track 5 has to be The Way by Fastball, and track 6 is going to be that fucking Carpenter song. And they're going to lose their shit when they're driving to school. And then I went into 7th grade and started to like mix CDs for all my classmates and remix Candy Shop and drop it like it's hot. So, and I was always like a little afraid to perform in front of my classmates. Actually, the first time I performed, you would have thought I'd done it earlier in my career, but I started when I was like 17. That's the first time I sang in front of people. So there's hope for everybody here. I was super shy, but nothing's changed. I still, like, I don't perform to make myself look cool. I'm just looking forward to the audience reaction, if that makes sense. So that's how I got started, and that's where I am today. Yes.
Hello, sir. So, when I bought these things, I didn't realize I didn't include the tickets.
Oh, well.
And I'd love to stay for your concert.
Oh, yeah, you have to stay.
Yeah.
Okay, get with Jackie. Somebody will figure that out.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to stay.
Yeah, I got the night off work.
Yeah, you got the night off work. Don't worry, we'll figure
Okay,
it out.
cool.
Yes.
Phillies or Astros?
What are those? I'm sorry. What are that? Sports?
Baseball. Sports? Baseball?
Baseball.
Who's the music guy?
I don't know. Do you know there was a famous baseball player that came to like a beach club of mine, like a friend of a friend, friends came, and everybody was asking for his autograph. This was like 2004, and he came up to me, and I guess I had like a backwards cap on, and I looked like an avid baseball fan, and he was like, hey kid, make sure you save that. I have headphones on, I'm listening to Britney Spears. I'm like, thanks. And I go up to my mom, I'm like, who was that? She was like, that was Derek Jeter, you moron. She didn't say moron, but I felt like a moron after, because I had heard that name before, pre-Google and everything. And now I am Charlie fucking Puth, apparently. I will get with the sports team and everything like that. They're giving me that. We're gonna figure that out for you. Don't worry.
Thank you
We'd
so
love to
much.
have you stay.
Thank you,
And
thank
you as well. I'm gonna go warm up my voice,
Yeah.
and I appreciate you all very, very much. Stay put. It's gonna be louder. My favorite song, what? I like "See You Again" just because it's such a powerful. It started out as one meaning for a song, and now there's like people on TikTok who are like, "I love that new song, See You Again." it's crazy, but it's a song with many, many layers to it, and that's how I intended it to be. Let me run back, and I'll see you for all the fuck shit.
Charlie. Thank you.
Here, raise your hand. There.